Are your knees popping like bubble wrap every time you stand up? Do your joints ache after just a short walk? Or your legs feel stiff and sore even when you haven't done anything intense? You're not alone, and the solution might be simpler than you think. It starts in your kitchen. See, collagen is the most abundant protein in your body. It's the glue that holds everything together. Literally. From your skin to your bones, from your ligaments to your cartilage, collagen is critical. And when it starts to decline, which by the way happens rapidly after your 20s, you start to feel it. But here's the good news. By strategically eating certain foods, you can naturally boost collagen production, support your joints, and bring strength back into your legs. You don't need fancy powders or mystery pills, just real collagen-rich foods. So today we're diving deep into the 7 collagen-rich foods you must eat if you want healthier, more flexible joints, and powerful pain-free legs. And stay with me until the end, because I'll also share common foods that actually destroy collagen and keep your joints inflamed. Let's jump into it. First up, bone broth. Bone broth is not just a trend. It's a time-tested nutritional powerhouse. When you simmer animal bones for hours, sometimes days, you release a rich mixture of collagen, gelatin, glycine, and proline, all critical amino acids that rebuild connective tissues. Think of bone broth as nature's multivitamin for your joints. It provides the building blocks your body needs to regenerate cartilage, the flexible tissue that cushions your joints and keeps them gliding smoothly. It's particularly effective for knees, ankles, hips, and other load-bearing joints that support your legs. Athletes, weightlifters, and even physical therapists swear by it. Want to level it up? Add turmeric and black pepper while it simmers. Turmeric is anti-inflammatory and helps calm swollen joints, while black pepper increases absorption. Try sipping a cup a day like you would coffee or tea, and let it work from the inside out. Your joints will feel lubricated, supported, and ready to move. Second, salmon. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which help reduce joint inflammation, a common cause of pain and stiffness. But what many people don't realize is that salmon, especially wild-caught, also contains collagen and cofactors like zinc and selenium that stimulate collagen synthesis. Let me break it down. Omega-3s south help protect collagen from breaking down selenium that stimulate collagen synthesis. Let me break it down. Omega-3s south help protect collagen from breaking down prematurely. While the collagen, already present in salmon, helps rebuild the tissue, it's a win-win. And the bonus? Salmon also supports muscle recovery, heart health, brain function, you name it. But for your legs specifically. It promotes blood flow, reduces inflammation in connective tissues, and helps heal microtears from physical activity. Add it to your weekly meals, grilled, baked, or even smoked. Pair it with dark leafy greens, and you've got a collagen-boosting powerhouse plate. Third, egg whites. Now, a lot of people toss the egg yolk thinking it's healthier without the fat. But when it comes to collagen, you want to pay close attention to the whites. Egg whites are rich in proline, one of the key amino acids needed to build collagen. They're also loaded with lysine and glycine, 2 more building blocks that promote the elasticity of joints and skin. Scramble them, boil them, toss them into smoothies, just don't underestimate them. Egg whites help reinforce tendons and ligaments, especially around the knees and hips. If you're active or starting to feel creaky joints as you age, incorporating egg whites consistently can be a game changer. And if you're pairing them with vitamin C-rich foods like bell peppers or oranges, even better. Vitamin C acts like the switch that turns collagen production on. Fourth, grass-fed beef. Not all meat is created equal. When you opt for grass-fed beef over conventionally raised meat, you're getting a higher concentration of omega-3 south, vitamin E, and most importantly, collagen-supporting amino acids. This is particularly important if you're rebuilding joint tissue. Grass-fed beef is rich in glycine and glutamine, which help regenerate collagen, reduce inflammation, and support healthy cartilage growth. And let's talk about the iron content. TIT plays a role in oxygenating your muscles and improving circulation to your legs, which is crucial if you're doing physical rehab or just trying to stay mobile as you age. Include lean cuts like sirloin or ground beef, and slow-cooked options like short ribs or brisket for the connective tissue benefits. Fifth, berries. This one surprises people, but berries are collagen's best-kept secret weapon. No, they don't contain collagen directly, but they're bursting with antioxidants that protect your existing collagen from breaking down. Strawberries, blueberries, blackberries, they're all rich in vitamin C, which your body needs to manufacture collagen. Without enough vitamin C, your collagen production slows dramatically. These tiny fruits also fight free radicals, which are unstable molecules that break down skin, joint tissue, and cartilage over time. By reducing oxidative stress, berries help your collagen stay stable and strong. A handful of berries a day keeps the joint pain away seriously. Toss them into a smoothie, your breakfast oats, or just eat them fresh. 6. Leafy greens, spinach, kale, Swiss chard, arugula. These might not scream collagen when you see them, but they should. They contain chlorophyll, which has been shown to increase the precursor to collagen in the skin and joints. They're also full of magnesium, vitamin A, and vitamin C, all necessary for collagen creation. Magnesium, in particular, helps calm inflammation and supports muscle and nerve function, critical for leg strength and joint mobility. Plus, greens are alkaline-forming. Why does that matter? Because inflammation thrives in an acidic environment. When your body is more alkaline, it's easier for your systems to repair and regenerate tissue, including joint cartilage and muscle fibers. Incorporate a handful of leafy greens into every meal if you can. Add them to eggs, smoothies, soups, or your legs will feel lighter, stronger, and more energized. 7th, chicken skin. Yes, you heard that right, chicken skin. The part most people peel off is actually loaded with collagen. Studies show chicken skin has a high concentration of type 2 collagen, which specifically supports joint cartilage and mobility. If you're dealing with stiff knees, cracking ankles, or reduced range of motion, eating chicken with the skin, preferably roasted or baked, is an easy way to get a collagen boost. Just don't deep fry it. The high heat and oil can create harmful compounds that counteract the collagen benefits. Bake it, grill it, or slow roast it tanned. Keep it clean. Chicken feet are also popular in Asian cultures for this reason. They're packed with gelatin, which converts into collagen during cooking. If you're brave enough, give it a try. Now, let's talk bonus tips. Because eating collagen-rich foods is only part of the puzzle. If you're consuming things that destroy collagen, you're fighting a losing battle. So here are 3 things to cut way back on, if not eliminate. Number 1, refined sugar. Sugar binds to collagen fibers and makes them stiff and brittle through a process called glycation. That means weaker joints, slower recovery, and more pain. Swap sugar for honey, dates, or stevia whenever you can. That means weaker joints, slower recovery, and more pain. Swap sugar for honey, dates, or stevia whenever you can. Number 2, excess alcohol. Alcohol depletes the nutrients your body needs to build collagen and damages the liver, which plays a role in protein synthesis. Moderate consumption is okay, but regular drinking, it's sabotaging your joint health. Number 3, smoking. If you smoke or spend time around smokers, you're bombarding your body with chemicals that directly degrade collagen and limit oxygen flow. Your body can't rebuild what it's constantly tearing down. So what's the takeaway? If you want stronger legs, healthier joints, and to move like you're 10 years younger, the food you eat matters. Collagen-rich foods like bone broth, salmon, eggs, beef, berries, greens, and yes, even chicken skin can make a dramatic difference. Feed your joints, and they'll support you in everything you do, from walking to lifting to dancing to living pain-free. Start with just 2 of these foods a day. Rotate them. Mix and match. Pair them with exercise and hydration. And give it a few weeks, your knees, hips, and ankles will thank you. If you found this helpful, make sure you bookmark it and share it with someone who needs it. Because collagen isn't just about looking good, it's about feeling unstoppable.